Hi everyone, I've been testing out Blender's grease pencil, and while I love it, I really wanted some variety with the brushes, so I made a brush pack, which you can download through the link in the description. This pack has 5 brushes, and though I use 4 of them mainly for adding texture on top of animations, you can reduce the size and get some soft sketching or blocking brushes as well. The first is charcoal, which is buildable and can be layered nicely. I prefer this one at a radius of 500 for texture and then 100 for loose, light thumbnail sketching. Just be sure to go to stroke at the top and untick randomize for a more precise line. At a radius of 40, Chunky is my sketching brush. It's very soft with a hazy edge, but when it's sized up anything past 60, it suits the name and can be an inking brush. Hatch is great for texture. It's buildable and gives a soft, blurry look when layered. Hazy is one of my favourites. It doesn't take much pressure or layering to become darker and feels dusty with small dots scattered through it. Finally, Speckle has a smoky, slightly spooky feel to it. With a larger radius, you can see the textured edge around the intense centre of the brush. Adding a pen pressure to both the radius and strength can give you some really interesting effects. To import a brush pack into Blender, you'll need to go to File, Append, and then select the .blend file wherever you saved it. Hit Append and you should then see the brush folder. Open that and scroll down until you find my brushes. Click and drag to select them all and hit Append. They should now be in your library. To make sure they don't disappear every time you make a new project or reopen Blender, make sure your project is empty, go to File, Defaults, and Save Startup File. If you use this brush pack, be sure to tag me. I would love to see what you make with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more animations and tutorials real soon. Bye!